Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I hope you're enjoying these little videos I've been doing all week or all month. We are on day 13. It's places you want to go. Basically, it's places where I want to go. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Places I want to go. I want to go to Washington, D.C. to see Lincoln and the Capitol and the tundra and the center of our state capital. And then I want to go see where Kennedy's buried. Jackie Onassis Kennedy, or Jackie Kennedy Onassis. However you say her name. She's got three last names. However you say Jack, his wife. You know who I'm speaking of. Bobby Kennedy. I want to see all that. I want to see the Veteran Memorial. I want to see all the white headstones out in Washington. I want to do it all. And I also wouldn't mind going to Amsterdam, Netherlands, to the Van Gogh Museum to see his art. But I also can go to New York to the Museum of Modern Art to see where the Starry Night is. So that's where I would love to go someday. So those three places are actually on my list. So I want to thank you for sharing with me these past 13 days, watching me do these little videos and seeing everything so far. So I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.